This curry is made from a legume called moth bean. They have a rich, earthy flavor and a slightly nutty taste. This is a staple recipe from the state of Maharashtra that celebrates this unique ingredient. We will start by first sprouting the matki. For that, wash the matki a couple of times under running water. Discard the matki that floats on top because they are usually rotten. Now, if you live in the colder parts of the world like I do, sprouting the matki is slightly tricky. This is the method that has worked for me. Soak the matki in warm water of about 60 degrees Celsius. Cover and let it soak overnight or 12 hours. Next day, remove the excess water for 10 minutes using a sieve kept slightly tilted on another bowl. Don't discard this water. If you're curious, go ahead and taste it. It is slightly funky from all the soaking, sweet, earthy, and nutty. It makes for an excellent soup broth. Fill a bowl with warm water. Place the sieve on top of the bowl, making sure the bottom of the sieve does not touch the water. We want to keep the matki dry, but want to provide warmth for it to start sprouting. Cover the sieve loosely with a dry towel and keep in a warm, dark place. Once sprouted, your matki should look like this. Heat oil in a pot or a kadhai. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. They will make popping sounds. Add cumin seeds. Next, saute diced red onions until they get soft and translucent. We don't want to give them any color because we want the sweetness of the onions. Once the onions are cooked, add matki and saute it for 4 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes. Add salt, turmeric powder, and red chilli powder. The next step is a classic technique used in a Maharashtrian household when you want to cook any vegetable or protein without adding additional water. Place a steel plate on top of your pot or a kadhai. Pour cold water into the dish. Now what this does is the steam that generates in the pot rises on the top and condenses. This steam turns into water and falls back into the pot. This ensures even cooking vegetables without burning them. Cook the curry for another 20 minutes. Stir it every 5 minutes and taste. The matki should be cooked without getting too mushy. It should retain its shape but not crunch. Once the matki is cooked, switch off the gas and add chopped cilantro. And that's how you make this hearty, delicious Maharashtrian style moth bean curry. It's simple, packed with flavor and full of nutrients, perfect for any day. Stay tuned because next week we'll dive into another Maharashtrian classic that's perfect for the season.